So good morning, Shadows. We're heading out on the bus to Nafplio today, doing something a little crazy. I don't really have accommodations there, so we're gonna hope that I find something pretty inexpensive. This is really outside of my box, and I think it's gonna be amazing. So let's see how this works. Either it's gonna be really great, or it's gonna completely backfire. So we're just waiting for the bus to load so that we can head out. It's about a 2.5-hour drive, I think. So I got my water, I got my e-reader, and I got my camera so we can take some pictures as we go. Alright, see you in a bit. So how lucky am I? I just happened to have the seat next to me completely empty for this whole journey, which is going to make it much more comfortable. So, wow! The adventure was a struggle for sure. I did wind up finding a place for 31 euros a night, so it's a little bit more than I wanted to spend. So I'm gonna give you a little tour. This is the Hotel Nafplio. And so this is the bathroom. Kind of nice. I like the blue tile, kind of very Greece. We've got an extra cabinet here with extra pillow and blankets, which I appreciate. This is the main room. You can tell I already made myself kind of comfortable. I've got a little teeny TV and a little teeny fridge down there, which is awesome. Now I will say the view is not spectacular. It's of some like kids like preschool, but it's pretty close to the harbor, so I think that's gonna make up for it. Plus it's real close to Old Town, so I can just kind of walk, and there's a lot of great food places. So that is the tour of my room at Hotel Nafplio. So it's a little noisy in here, but I just got another one of those pita wrap things, and then I think once I'm done eating, we're gonna hit and look around the harbor, and then hit the market, and then head back to the room to do some work. So that was Palmity. I have to check the facts, but I think I read that it was built to defend from the Turks, but I'm sure it was built on something that was much older, and I can't suggest you guys come here enough. Do come here with more than an hour though, because you have to be very careful with your step, and you know, I don't want, you know, just take your time. Plus the views are stellar, and just take a little time to enjoy the atmosphere and the history and soak it up. So yeah, that's it. waiting for the bus to come pick me up, and then it's on to the next. To see that this is the size of the elevator, and it's freaking me out.
Hey, good morning, Shadows. So potentially last day in Nafplio. Just got dressed. I'm gonna run down to the reservation desk and see if there's any chance I can extend my stay for one day. So kind of the plan is, if I can spend it for one day like I said yesterday, then I'll head out to Epidavros today, and then tomorrow I'll check out and head to, I haven't decided whether I'm going to go to Tripoli or Olympia straight away. If I can't, then I'm just going to hop on the bus, go to Epidavros, find some place to stay there and do that, and then come back this way to go to, like I said, either Tripoli or Olympia. Fingers crossed, because I really like this hotel and I really like this little town, and I think it's kind of like a central location. Here's hoping somebody had a cancellation. So yeah, this is just the name of the game when you book accommodations when you get to the place you're at. So let's see what's going on, and then after that we'll get our day started. I'll be able to stay in Nafplio for one more day, so I'm just waiting for them to tell me if I need to switch rooms. Hopefully I don't, because I really like this room. I really like the quietness of it. Once they tell me that, I will get my backpack ready. I guess the bus to ancient Epidavros leaves at 10. I'm gonna assume from the same place I got dropped off, hopefully, fingers crossed. And so once I get the word from that, I'll come back up, get my day pack going, and then we're gonna head out to Epidavros. We're gonna be there all day for sure. I think the bus comes back like at 5, so I should be back into Nafplio by 6, which is awesome. And yeah, so let's go see some stuff.
So order taken care of. Now I'm heading to where I got dropped off from the bus from Athens, in hopes that that is where I pick up the bus to Epidavros. I just asked the bus attendant, hey, like how I get to Olympia. She says you're gonna have to go to Tripoli. So in that case, I feel like the universe is just kind of telling me go ahead and spend 2 nights in Tripoli, and then take the bus from Tripoli to Pyrgos, and then to Olympia. So I think, you know, I think the universe is saying, stop questioning it, just go to Tripoli. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I really feel that this trip is teaching me how to go with the flow, because my plan was definitely to go to Epidavros, and I had to make that decision right then and there if I was willing to pay that. Before, I think I would have been freaked out, and I still am a little freaked out about changing plans in the middle of a trip. But I think what Greece has taught me in that is that, you know, just go with the flow. You know, I had a vision in my mind, and it just didn't play out that way, but I'm still having a wonderful time seeing wonderful things. I think it's teaching me to let the universe kind of guide me. I feel like if I let that happen, good things are going to happen. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to start our trip to Mycenae. Alright, here we go. Off we go. Yeah.
It could very well be. So, let's go see what's going on.
So I asked the receptionist at my hotel for a good suggestion of fairly inexpensive, like traditional food. She gave me 2 restaurants, and so I'm gonna go see if I can try to find them. If not, I'll find something because I'm hungry. But I think always asking the receptionist, kind of, they know their city better than you do. So I love these little like Greek towns so far because like I feel like you can go down like any side street and find a whole bunch of crap that you just didn't even know was there. And so that's maybe one of my tips is like maybe take a day and just kind of roam, see if anything sparks your interest.